Hi guys, so we're currently here in Station 3 of White Beach, Boracay. So I'll show you some beach resorts here. So there's 357 Boracay, and here's Casa Camilla. So let's walk along the Station 3 of Boracay's White Beach. So we have here the Rose Pike Boracay. And here's 𝗢𝗔𝗪𝗢𝗢𝗓 South Beach. And we have here Coco Loco. And here's Villa Camellia.
Iba yung Casa Camilla sa Villa Camilla. Yeah.
Okay, here's Mandala Spa and Resort Villas.
Maybe not.
It says Mandala Spa, so I guess this is the Mandala Spa.
No,
But we're not sure.
it's not.
No, sorry, this is Angle Point Beach Resort. Again, this is Angle Point Beach Resort. So it's 4 p.m. right now here in Boracay Island, and we're doing a walking tour of Station 3 here in Boracay Island. So I'm showing you the beach resorts here in Station 3. So here's Sandals Inn, Boracay.
This is Grande.
And here's Grand Blue Beach Hotel.
Yes, ma'am. Ano po kas mo?
Uy!
Hello.
Okay, this is still Grand Blue Beach Hotel.
Pwede din naman.
And here's Boracay Ocean Club Resort here in Station 3.
Yun yung partial sea view. Yung nandun.
Okay. Okay. So what I've shown you are some of the beach resorts here in Station 3 of White Beach, Boracay. Okay, so for this Boracay trip, we're staying in 357 here in Station 3. Okay, I guess I want to try several resorts here the next time we visit Boracay. So if you're planning to visit Boracay, I would highly recommend staying here in Station 3. And the good news is, I'm giving you a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. So again, this is 𝗦𝗪𝗓𝗏𝗓𝗓. Thank you for watching.